Hi folks. Well, today I'm punching the holes in the carpet for where the seats are gonna bolt in, and I'll just show you how I do that. It's pretty simple, but I ordered carpet from one company. I won't mention their name, but not the carpet, sorry, upholstery, and they gave me 6 different ship dates, and I had to cancel that order. And now I ordered from OC Carpets out of California. I got a custom seat made the way I wanted for $434, I think it was. And it's going to be two-tone red and charcoal gray. So it's going to complement my truck, I hope. I think it will. So anyway, I'm just cutting the holes in the floorboard through the carpet so I can get to put my bolts in for my seat, which will be here Thursday. And maybe I'll make a video on how I reupholster the seat, but never done it before, but it looks like I can handle it. And we'll see what happens from there. So I'll show you how I do these holes here, and pretty simple. I've already done 4 of them, got 4 more to go. Alright, back in a second. Okay, hopefully you can see this. So I clean the tip off. I'm just going to heat this up a little bit. It doesn't have to be red hot, anything like that. Back. Just get it on there. Don't touch that because that's all hot. You don't have a glove on. And that's okay like that. Okay, so I just did the holes for the seat belt there, over there, and another one around by the door there. So I'll see how it goes putting the seat belts in. I loosened up my gas tank to try to get that carpet down under there a little bit, so that's why that's loose.